Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golden Guitar Masterclass. Today we're having a look at an absolute classic. It's the beautiful I Can See Clearly Now by Johnny Nash, and obviously been covered by so many fantastic artists over the years. I'm going to give you the screenshots for the chords you will need in one moment, and then after that we'll just try jamming the song together and practicing it over. And like I always say, if you have any problems changing from one chord to the other, you might want to just freeze the video and the screenshot and just try practicing it nice and slow until you are comfortable with all of them. Okay, but moving swiftly on, the chords you will need for this tune are just D, you will need a G, you will need a C, and you will need an A. You'll also need a C sharp minor, you'll need a B minor, and you'll also need an F. Okay, so assuming you've good to go with those chords, you've practiced them a little bit, let's move straight on. The song chords are going to come up on the screen, and first of all we'll just try with the main song section, and like I said, I'm going to hum the tune in the background so you can see where we're going. But starting off with that D, and you've got the D, and then G, back to D again, and D, I can see G, D, 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 A, back to D, D, da, 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 to G, back to D again, and then to the C, change to G, and back to the D, and then to the C, and then G, and back to the D. Okay, let's just try that whole section again. And then D, I can see G, and back to D again. And again D, then to the G, then to the A, and back to D, da 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 G, and back to D again. And then to the C, and then G, and then to the D, and then to the C, and then G, and then to the D. Okay, so that is most of the song there. It just loops around with that sequence there. But then obviously you've got the really nice bridge section kind of in the middle of the song. And that one actually starts off with the F, as you can see from the chord sheet there. Okay, but you've got F, and looking around, it's that section there. So we've just got the F, da 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 da, and change to the C, back to the F again, F, da 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 da, nothing but A, and then C sharp minor, and then G, C sharp minor, and then G, C major, B minor, and A, and then back to the other section, and D, I can see G. Okay, so that is how the bridge section leads into the other section again. But let's just try, the bridge is probably slightly harder. So let's just have a look at that again. So back to the F, F, la da da da, and change to the C, back to F again, F, la da da da, da da da, A, and C sharp minor, and a G, C sharp minor, and then a G, C major, B minor, and A, and back to the other section, and D, da da da, G, and back to D again, and so on. Okay, so those are all the sections of the song there. Just try practicing through them, and that'll play along exactly with the Johnny Nash version. But yeah, practice through it, get your vocals sorted out, and it'll sound fantastic. All the best. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy, and I'll see you again soon for more super easy songs. Ben Golden Guitar. Thank you.